People really need to bundle up if they're going to go out to the tree lighting.
And look, you don't want it warm,
No.
do you? No, you want it to feel like the holiday season.
Well, cold, but not Arctic.
Right, and Arctic is what we get, unfortunately. We really didn't get to choose that one, but certainly it's going to feel cold out there. Feels like temperatures are going to be in the low 20s, if not the teens. Let me show you the forecast if you are heading out to the tree lighting this evening, or if you're just going out, you've got some errands to run or something to do. Maybe the kids have some after-school activities. We'll see those temperatures by around 6 o'clock, near 35 degrees. But with those wind speeds, sustained 20 to 30 miles per hour, gusting, even then, still 35 to 40 miles per hour. Those feels-like temperatures will be bitterly cold or Arctic-like. 23 degrees will stay chilly and just downright cold into the overnight. Those feels-like temperatures probably there in the lower 20s and upper teens for most of the night. That's why we have this next weather alert that will remain in effect for the rest of the day today. At times, those wind gusts could get up to around 40 to 50 miles per hour. We're already getting some reports, 9,300 or so, of power outages from Poconos. So I expect those numbers to increase with those wind gusts persisting through the afternoon and then into the early evening hours. And that will be a concern for those dropping temperatures and those feels-like temperatures that will run anywhere between 15 to 25 degrees. Let's talk about those current wind speeds across the area because they are really beginning to gust and sustain. I mean, we're talking about sustained winds right now in Philadephia around 25 miles per hour, but at times those sustained winds have increased to around 30 to 35 miles per hour. You look across the rest of the area, you see those numbers in the circles there. I mean, we're talking 20 to 25 mile per hour winds across most of the region, so it will remain gusty. But on top of that, those northwesterly winds are pushing in that cold Arctic air. And when those winds gust, which they're currently gusting nearly 50 miles per hour in Millville, it will feel very, very cold. I mentioned those wind gusts. We're really going to have to watch out for those power outages. I think that's the immediate concern coming from some down limbs. But also, we'll have to watch our holiday decorations. If those aren't anchored well, they will go blowing down the street. That could cause some traffic issues. So we'll really have to be careful with those gusty conditions through the rest of the afternoon. You see even through around midnight, those wind gusts are still around 30 to 35 miles per hour. Feels like temperatures at the noon hour right now, 27 degrees in Philadephia, feels like 10 in the Poconos. Looking up in the Poconos, they've been making snow. The cloud cover's kind of filled back in. At times, they've actually had some natural snow. But you see down the shore in Cape May, we've got mostly sunny skies. Some snow showers around the area earlier. There have been some reports up towards the Lehigh Valley and the Poconos that have picked up a ½ inch to nearly an inch of snow. That snow is pretty much cleared out. Now we're beginning to see that cold Arctic air rush in from the north and west. Look at those temperatures. Places like Detroit right now currently at 27 degrees. But again, it's a cold, blustery 27 degrees. I've got your temperatures and your wind chills on the map here. So as we go through this afternoon, temperatures drop below freezing. Obviously, it feels below freezing through the rest of the afternoon. Into your Friday morning, we will start with actual temperatures in the mid-20s, but it will feel like the 10s. The Poconos will feel below 0 to start off. And then as we go into tomorrow afternoon, we'll see high temperatures in the mid and upper 30s. We'll feel like the 20s all day long. Still pretty cool, at least below normal on Saturday, but more sunshine and then into Sunday. High temperatures Sunday afternoon will be around 50 degrees. Let me show you the next weather 7-day forecast here. We're looking at temperatures continuing to warm as we go through early next week, but also with temperatures in the mid and upper 50s to lower 60s. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday will come with a chance for a few scattered showers. Jim, back into you.
Thank you, Grant.